Good morning, esteemed colleague, researchers, and guests. I am Captain Spencer Hara, currently serving as a crewing manager at Cardiff Crewing Pilipinas Incorporated. I hold a Doctor of Philosophy and Maritime Education, major in Maritime Management from John B. Lacson Foundation, Maritime University, Arevalo, Iloilo. Today, I am honored to present my research entitled Total Quality Management, Principles and Organizational Performance in Philippine Ship Manning Agency, Basis for Performance Indicator Matrix. This study was born out of the growing need to strengthen the competitiveness of Philippine Ship Manning Agency amidst global challenges in the maritime labor market. It explores how TQM principles can be systematically applied to enhance organizational performance and purposes a practical framework that agencies can adopt for continuous improvement. I hope that the insights shared through this presentation will contribute meaningfully to outgoing discussion on maritime management and quality assurance in our industry. Thank you, and I look forward for your thoughts and questions after this presentation. So the title of my paper is Total Quality Management Principles and Organizational Performance among Ship Manning Agencies, Base for Performance Indicator Matrix. So the rationale, the Philippines is the world's leading supplier of seafarers, contributing over 229,000 workers, or 25% of the global maritime workforce, according to the Pasol from the Manila Times. Despite strong global demand, Filipino seafarers face declining employment opportunities and job market challenges. In 2016, the demand for seafarers dropped by 44% and remittances declined by 3.8%, signaling serious issue in the sector. That was according to the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. The rise of multinational crew has led to management issues such as high turnover, low performance, poor loyalty, and increased human error. These challenges highlight the need for improved management practices within ship manning agencies in the Philippines. Total Quality Management offers a practical solution through its focus on customer satisfaction, continuous improvement, and employee involvement. Although TQM is widely implemented in other sectors, it remains underexplored in the maritime industry, particularly in the Philippine ship manning sector. This study is anchored on W. Edwards Deming's quality management theory, which promotes system thinking and continuous improvement. The study investigates how TQM categories leadership, strategic planning, customer focus, knowledge measurement, workforce focus, and operational processes relate to organizational performance. Organizational performance is evaluated in terms of strategy, leadership, culture, innovation, structure, competencies, performance measures, and sustainability. A key output of the study is the development of a performance indicator matrix to guide quality-based management and ship manning agency. The findings aim to benefit HR departments, crewing managers, training centers, maritime regulators like Marina, and seafarers themselves. Ultimately, the studies seek to enhance operational efficiency, improve service quality, support crew retention, and sustain the global competitiveness of Philippine ship manning agencies. Objective of the study. This study aimed to determine the relationship between total quality management, principles, and organizational performance among ship manning agencies in the Philippines. Specifically, it seeks to assess the level of organizational performance in terms of leadership, strategy, culture, innovation, systems, skills, performance matrix, and environmental sustainability. Determine the level of TQM implementation based on leadership, strategic planning, customer and market focus, knowledge measurement, workforce focus, and operations. Identify significant differences in organizational performance based on age, length of service, and position. Identify significant differences in TQM implementation across demographic factors. Determine the correlation between TQM principles and organizational performance. Identify which TQM category best predicts organizational performance. Methods. Research design. This study utilized a survey correlational design to examine the relationship between TQM principles and organizational performance, Creswell 2014. Respondents, a total of 323 employees from selected ship manning agencies in Metro Manila participated. Instrument. Data were gathered using an adapted questionnaire based on Malcolm Baldridge's excellence criteria and Quantisoft's organizational productivity tool, covering demographics, TQM principles, and performance indicators. A 5-point Likert scale ensured consistency, Likert 1932. A pilot test with 30 participants produced a Cronbach alpha of 0.89, indicating strong reliability, only 1978. Data collection. The researchers personally administered the survey to 323 randomly selected seafarers from ship manning agencies in Manila, including those from different provinces, to give a study a broader national representation. Responses were reviewed for accuracy and completeness before analysis. Data analysis. Descriptive statistics, mean, percentage, standard deviation, and inferential test, Pearson's correlation, multiple regression were conducted using SPSS high internal consistency. Summary of findings. Level of organizational performance. The overall organizational performance of ship manning agencies in the Philippines was rated as very productive, with a mean of 3.69. All 8 dimensions: strategy, leadership, culture, innovation, structures, system, process, skills and competencies, performance measures, and environmental sustainability were also rated very productive across all respondent groups. Level of total quality management implementation. The level of total quality management implementation was rated as very important, with a mean of 3.52. Among the 6 TQM categories: leadership, with a mean of 3.58, knowledge measurement, with a mean of 3.54, and workforce focus, with a mean of 3.54, received the highest ratings. All categories were perceived as very important in enhancing organizational outcomes. Significant summary of the findings. Significant difference in organizational performance by demographic factors. Age. Significant differences in organizational performance were found across all 8 dimensions, favoring the group aged above 30. Length of service. No significant differences were found across all dimensions. Position. Significant differences were observed across all dimensions, with departmental head consistently ratings performance higher than rank and file employees. Significant differences in TQM implementation by demographic factors. Significant differences existed across all TQM categories, with respondent age above 30 reporting higher perceptions. Length of service, a significant difference was found only in leadership, favoring those with 6 years and above of service. Position, significant difference across all TQM categories, with department heads rating each category higher than rank and file employees. Correlation between TQM principles and organizational performance. A significant positive correlation was found between all 6 TQM categories and organizational performance. This indicates that improvements in any TQM area positively affects overall organizational outcomes. Strongest predictor of organizational performance. Among the 6 TQM categories, strategic planning emerged as the only significant predictor of organizational performance. R equals 0.544, P equals 0.27, explaining 29.6% of the variance in performance level. Development of performance indicator matrix. Based on the findings, a performance indicator matrix was developed to enhance the performance of ship manning agencies by aligning strategic planning and other TQM practices with measurable organizational goals. This matrix aimed to promote awareness among ship manning agencies of their performance relative to the industry peers, foster collaboration and knowledge sharing for continuous improvement, explore innovative technologies that support crew engagement and modern industry needs, highlight the importance of sustainable resource use in shipping, establish a framework for ongoing evaluation and operational improvement. The matrix serves as the practical tool for agency leaders to evaluate their strength, identify gaps, and implement targeted interventions based on TQM principles. It can guide managerial decision making and help sustain high performance amid evolving industry demands. Conclusion. The ship manning companies in the Philippines remain very productive, consistently sending qualified officers and crew worldwide, contributing to a national economic growth. The total quality management is comprehensive and must be strongly and consistently applied across all categories by ship manning agencies. The high correlation between TQM categories and organizational performance suggests that performance is highly dependent on TQM principles. Among all categories, strategic planning is the only significant predictor of organizational performance, underscoring its importance in any organization. TQM practices enhance crew retention by improving engagement, loyalty, and morale, thereby fostering continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Effective TQM implementation requires a strategic focus on leadership, culture, employee involvement, and process of management, key drivers of crew retention and performance. A comprehensive quality management approach helps ship manning companies uphold service standards while addressing crew well-being, leading to organizational productivity. Recommendations. Ship manning companies should maintain service quality by ensuring accreditation from a certifying body if not yet accredited. Accreditation effort should focus on satisfying customer and stakeholders' needs. HR department should design programs to enhance loyalty among officers and crew. Crewing managers and recruitment officers may use the study result to inform staffing strategies. Marina should develop policies to strengthen recruitment standards among ship manning agencies. Training centers may utilize the findings to design sustainable crewing management programs. Seafarers are encouraged to attend TQM and productivity seminars offered by the agency. Student Affairs Offices of maritime higher education institutions should implement programs to improve students' life skills and employability, promoting long-term productivity and company loyalty. Future researchers may build on this study to deepen understanding of TQM's influence on organizational performance in the ship manning industry. Impact or outcome of the study. The practical impact of ships manning agency. The study confirms that TQM significantly enhanced organizational performance with strategic planning as the strongest predictor. Agencies can improve competitiveness, planning, and seafarer welfare by using the performance indicator matrix and aligning strategies across departments. Strengthen the quality culture by promoting leadership, employee involvement, and data-driven management. The study reinforces a culture of continuous improvement, making agencies more adaptive and compliant with global maritime standards. Improve employee engagement and development. The study highlights workforce focus and leadership as key TQM areas. This encourages agencies to invest in training, participative leadership, and performance based incentives, boosting employees' morale, retention, and alignment with the organizational goal. Original value of the paper: integration of TQM with maritime organizational performance dimensions. The study adapts TQM categories from the Malcolm Baldwin Excellence Criteria and applied them specifically to maritime organizational performance indicators such as strategy leadership, innovation, environmental sustainability, and more. This contextual adaptation provides a new framework for assessing quality and performance in service-oriented maritime organizations. First empirical study in TQM in Philippine ship manning agencies. Even though total quality management has been applied extensively in industries including manufacturing, healthcare, and education, this is one of the first empirical studies to look at the relationship between TQM and organizational performance in Philippine ship manning business. By finding this research gap, the study offers fresh data and a specialist application of TQM in the maritime sector. So these are all the references made by the study, and that ends my presentation. Thank you, and have a nice day to all of you. Thank you very much.